Hello YouTube. It's finally greening up here in southwest Wisconsin. So I believe today is the day I'm going to start working on my Vermeer round baler, putting the net wrap rolls that I had reconditioned back into it. If you missed that video, I'll put a link to it up in the corner above here right now. We haven't really had a lot of super nice weather here lately, but it's supposed to be, the upcoming week is supposed to be nice, so hopefully I'll get my tillage finished up, get my 2 or 3 acres of oats planted this week. I'm probably at least 2 weeks away from planting corn yet, but hopefully I'll be able to shoot some video this week. The YouTube algorithm will like that. I think the algorithm is punishing me for being gone for 2 months while I recovered from surgery. I don't even pretend to understand the algorithm, but ever since I've gotten back, my views are about half what they were before I went on hiatus. Oh well, I'm just going to keep doing what I'm doing, and the algorithm can either like it or not. I've just got the 170 hooked up to the baler to move the baler around. It's not big enough to bale with. I did change oil in this tractor yesterday to get it ready to go. But without further ado, I'm going to start to put the net wrap system back together on this baler. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Okay, I think we got our lock down there pretty tight. Now I'll tighten up the set screw, and this roller will be ready to go in. Fortunately, I had the good sense to label a lot of these small parts when I took it apart. That makes life easier now. Okay, we're getting pretty close now. Okay, got it all together. If I needed to, I could go out and bale hay with it. Let's see, I still need to hook this back up. But I've got everything all adjusted. There's the specs for the tension on all the springs to it. So I'm really looking forward to seeing how these rubber rolls work now that they've been reconditioned. But that's still several weeks off. So I still need to change the pickup teeth in this thing, but that's probably a job for next week. I'm not going to do that right now. So I'm glad to have this back together. Now we're move on to other things, and we'll see what the next few days bring. So until next time, everyone out there, have a good day.